to the end of day 3 here on Scone Island, and it's been a really fascinating day. We've seen a couple of short-eared owl, and some of them quite close up, which is really cool. They're so beautiful. We've also seen a spoonbill, which was first for even the warden here on the island. I managed to get a slightly blurry photograph of that as it whizzed by. An osprey has been seen here, though we didn't see that, unfortunately. And here we are back at the wick for sunset, and there's puffins all up and down this stretch. Thousands of them, all happily gathering nesting materials, going and feeding themselves up, ready for their pufflings to hatch. That's about it, really. It's nice that the sun's out, and a bit sad to be going home because there's still so much more that we could see here.